Hey, what's up guys? I got a new video for you guys, and this time is this video. It's a Razer Raiju Ultimate that I got right now on my hands. So I'm gonna do a unboxing. It's the first time I'm gonna do a really unboxing. Like you can see, it's sealed. So I'm just recording with my phone, and let's try to do with one hand. Okay, let's go. There you go. Like my previous Raiju Razer Raiju I got before, I got almost the same case, different texture on here, but it's the same case, I think. Let's try to open it. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, I don't have a camera to do this really well. So you can see you got the symbol for Razer, and there he is, the Razer Raiju Ultimate, the last one that Razer comes out. So like you can see it, you can take off the D-pad, and it's by magnetic, and there he is. I'm gonna do it again. You can see it, it's by magnetic. There you go. The analogic thumbs, the same thing. It's by magnetic. There you go. Oh, there you go. You can change your thumbs for analogics. You can see it. You got two different. So this one have it's higher. So you're gonna put this one on the right side. On the right side, that makes you have more a precision on the button, like the control freaks they're selling out. And you got a different D-pad too if you want to change one, like you can see it. And the difference is right here on the back. It's you don't have any triggers like the Raiju normal. Now it's just buttons, but it's the same, almost the same build. Like you can see it, you got the triggers to block the triggers at mid-range and long-range press. And here you see it that you can put on Bluetooth, PS4, PC Bluetooth, or you just put on the middle for USB. Let's go find other things. I got the cable for the USB. It's the same texture and the same quality of build of the Razer Raiju normal, like you can see it. And let's see if I got a little bit later. I think it's more the notice in the manual of the manual. And yeah, like you can see, this is the Razer Raiju Ultimate. And thank you for watching guys, and I see you around.